Track 2.11, Unit 6, Vocabulary, Exercise 1. 1,
Tent.
2,
Sleeping bag.
3,
Rucksack.
4,
Stove.
5,
Waterproof clothes.
6,
Torch.
7,
First aid kit.
8,
Satellite phone.
9,
Compass.
10,
Map.
11,
Sunscreen.
12.
Insect repellent.
Track 2.12, Unit 6, Vocabulary, Exercise 5.
Are you ready?
Nearly. I'm packing my rucksack.
Don't forget your torch. It's very dark in the caves.
Yeah, here it is. Have you got a waterproof coat? It's wet down there too.
Oh, I'll get it. Remember to bring your compass. I've got a map of the caves.
Yes, I've got a compass. And bring your satellite phone.
Why? Satellite phones don't work underground.